Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. I am on a roll, right? No? Yes I am. So I use Maybelline's new foundation, the Super Stay, and I use Maybelline's new concealer, the H Rewind. I'm gonna let you guys know this right now. For a for a drugstore brand, you could definitely compare this to something high-end quality. I'm definitely gonna say that for sure. I loved it. I used it yesterday and I was literally shook. The color that I use is Warm Coconut, and that's number 356. So basically I used to use coconut, just a regular coconut, and this is an added color on their line, which is amazing because coconut was literally so red on me. I had to mix it with a whole bunch of different foundations. Warm Coconut, it worked for me. It does oxidize. It's still kind of red. It does oxidize, I'm going to say that, but I love it. I don't hate it. It's full coverage and it's supposed to stay up to 24 hours. Yesterday I wore it for about 12 hours and I think it still looked good, but I also realized that on my hoodie, my whole face was coming off. And it says on here that it is fade and transfer resistant. So I don't know, Maybelline. I would have probably just took that off because foundation does come off here and there, and that's okay. Like, I wouldn't say that it's fade and transfer resistant. Seamless matte finish. It's breathable, comfortable to wear for sure, because like I put stuff on top of this foundation like concealer and everything, and I feel like my face is very lightweight. I don't feel like I have a ton. I don't feel caked up. I have a lot of makeup on today, but I don't feel caked up at all. It's oil free and it doesn't clog pores, which is perfect because I am very oily, and by the end of the day yesterday I didn't look oily. I still looked really matte, which is a plus for sure. Age Rewind concealer, you guys. I feel like this looks so good. It looks like airbrushed. Once you apply it, I feel like it looks airbrushed. So the treatment concealer says that it has gobi berry and haloxide. I have no idea, you guys. Don't judge me. And it says that it instantly erases dark circles, fine lines, and visibly diminishes puffiness. Now, I don't think I had dark circles or fine lines prior to that, but if I do, I mean, hey, I guess they're all covered up now. Please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, you guys. Turn on that post notification. Communicate with me. Let me know in the comment sections the kind of posts that you guys would like to see from me, and I will, of course, do them for you, of course, because you guys ride so hard.
Your love is bright as ever, even in the shadows. Baby, kiss me before they turn the lights out. Your heart is glowing, and I'm crashing into you. Baby, kiss me before they turn the lights out. Before they turn the lights out. Baby, love me lights out. In the darkest night, oh, in the darkest night, oh. I search through the crowd. Your face is all that I see. I give you everything. Baby, love me lights out. Baby, love me lights out. as bright as ever. Even in the shadows, baby, kiss me before they turn the lights out. Your heart is glowing, and I'm crashing into you. Baby, kiss me before they turn the lights out. Before they turn the lights out, baby, love me lights out. In the dark, it's not over. I search through the crowd. Your face is all that I see. I'll give you everything, baby, love me lights out. Baby, love me lights out.
Your heart is glowing, and I'm crashing into you. Baby, kiss me before I turn the lights out. Before I turn the lights out, baby, love me lights out. In the dark, it's not over. I search through the crowd. Your face is all that I see. I'll give you everything, baby, love me lights out. Baby, love me lights out.
I need you. It's easier, so easy, yeah.